The average homeowner spends over 2 minutes waiting for hot water in their showers. Hot water recirculation systems end the waiting and the waste. They deliver hot water instantly to homeowners, saving not only time, but up to 12,000 gallons of water every year. That's enough to fill an average bathtub 150 times. Hot water recirculation systems can be classified into two groups: systems with a dedicated return line and systems without. Grundfos offers solutions for both types of systems installed today. Many older homes were constructed without a dedicated hot water return line. Therefore, a bypass valve must be installed to create a hot water recirculation system. The valve is placed on the furthest fixture from the water heater and joins the hot water line to the cold water line. The valve stays closed while water in the hot water line is warm. When it begins to cool, the pump activates, the valve opens, and water is pushed back to the water heater through the cold water line until the hot water line is back up to temperature. The circulation pump is placed on the hot water line leaving the water heater and uses a programmable digital or analog timer to cycle water before high usage times, ensuring hot water is ready for use when needed. The Grundfos Comfort Pump System is a time-saving solution for homeowners without a dedicated return line. The system includes all the components needed for operation: the pump, hose kit, bypass valve, and digital timer. The timer can be programmed to run based on time, region, and date. The pump also comes with a 10-foot line cord, has a battery backup feature, and is certified NSF ANSI 61 standard for U.S. Safe Drinking Water Act and the NSF ANSI 372 standard for U.S. Safe Drinking Water Act for lead-free plumbing. The Grundfos Comfort System can be installed in less than 2 hours, reduces water consumption, and delivers years of reliable operation. For more information about Grundfos products, visit grundfos.us.